Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Sandy and you're watching the Sandvan. Normally, we're running around in our 2004 Mercedes Sprinter, but it's getting rebuilt, as you very well know. So this week, I'm just sick of being on my own, so I decided to get a little companion. Yep, someone who takes me on the road, gives me a lot of freedom, and just understands me as a person. Meet Cruz. So this little beauty is a 50cc Zenan cruise scooter, or Crewy as I like to call it, as its badge is missing an E. I hired it from Stradbroke Scooters, which was attached to a fish and chip shop. So we're going to take old Crewy for a spin at North Stradbroke Island, or as Aussies like to call it, ready! The first place I'd like to take you to is the South Gorge walk. Apparently, you can see humpback whales from here in season, and you might be able to see some dolphins playing in the water, and there's a massive views along the cliff. So, can't wait to see this. All I can say is, wow, it's absolutely stunning. I do believe that beach is four-wheel drive access only. I can't take Crewy down there, but we can certainly take in the views. Absolutely amazing. Looks like the walk actually continues down to the rocks. Looks interesting. Now that's a view. Wow, this walk goes all the way out to there. That's amazing. I kind of wish it was whale season. So I should tell you, we have 4 places to visit today. We have the Gorge Walk, Brown Lake, Amity Point, and what was the other place? Dunwich, I think. So we'll try and get to all those places today, but if not, we can come back. I really do want to get the drone up, but I'm too scared. I need some encouragement, guys. There's lots of droney people around. I'll do it. I'm just going to find a quiet spot. Actually a beautiful little walk by the gorge, and it's such a nice day. It's 29 degrees and absolutely stunning. It's all safe. This is views, I can't get over them, they're absolutely spectacular. And the water is aqua green. Crystal clear aqua green, you know what I mean. Just to prove that I do have the drone out, except I can't get my phone to connect, because if you've seen the Coochie Mudlow episode, I've got heaps of sand in it. It's not connecting, sorry fellas. I tried, I didn't wuss out. Look, I have it out and everything. It might actually be too windy for the drone today. Blessing in disguise, maybe. I'm running with that. Looks like there's a little cave in here as well. And over here. unbelievably beautiful. It's probably one of the most prettiest places I have actually been to. Alright, if we're going to get to these other 3 places, I better make a move on. I'm having one of those Instagram versus reality moments. It's quite a second ago. So that was the Gorge walk, and what a stunning view that is. It's kind of weird because as the water hits the rocks, it spurts up. It actually sounds like a whale spurt, and people were turning around going, oh, there's a whale. It's not the right season, but how amazing would it be to stand up there and see some whales migrating. Absolutely stunning and well worth it. Right, next stop. All right, let's see what this baby can do. So guys, we are at Amity Point, and it's at the opposite side of the island that where I was, the Gorge, and it is almost completely different scenery. Here we have beaches, we have actually a small population of humpback dolphins that live around the area. We're not allowed to feed them, not allowed to approach them, but you can watch them come up to the shore if they want to. I'm pretty sure they come up at sunset, and I'm pretty sure I'll be gone by then. But it's beautiful to see the red sand and the ocean. It's such nice contrast, and yeah, it's so peaceful here. There's not a lot here, to be honest with you. A picnic area to have something to eat, a ramp for boating, and just a lot of calmness. And there's a camping area here too, guys. I think we might get Tim and come back here for a couple of weeks. What do you reckon? I think you deserve a break, don't you? But I think we should go get something to eat and sit and enjoy the scenery. There's a cornered off area here for swimmers, but not actually sure who it's protecting. The swimmers from things, or the dolphins from the swimmers, or everyone from everything. I'm not sure. For stop number 3. So guys, I think I'm going to have to abort the mission of taking you to these 4 places because Straddy's got a lot of 80k roads, and as you can see, I almost got hit by a car. Admittedly, I was trying to do a drive-by. This scooter is only a 50cc scooter, which means you can only do probably around 50 or 60 k's an hour. I don't know what that is in miles, probably 25 miles. 30 miles? Something like that. But I think is to go around the island like I wanted to do, to take you all these different places, I'm going to risk my life. So I think I'm going to go back to where I was and have a look around Point Lookout, where I got the scooter from, and see what other little gems I can find, because I just don't feel safe. So sorry, but I'm sure you appreciate. I value my life. I miss good old Willie who can do 80k, 90k on a road, so I might take little crewy back and scoot around the local area. Even this, it's a blind road. Look. And they're all like this. I used to have a motorbike. Tim and I used to have motorbikes, and I'm a pretty confident rider, and I'm only a little scooter, and I can't believe they just let people have these on these roads. And you'd think an island would be safe, but it's really not with 80k roads around. So I think after that, I deserve a nice coffee, and I think I found the perfect place. It's called the Blue Room.
home cafe is situated at Point Lookout with an incredible view of the ocean. It had such a quirky but relaxing feel. I went in for a coffee, but I couldn't resist these waffles. That was such a nice break especially after that terrifying ride. We can't leave Straddy without showing you one of its beaches, and this one looks pretty good. What a lovely spot just in general, but even better, there's a wedding happening today. Such a nice background. So it looks like we cannot swim today. The beach is a bit too dangerous, so we'll go have a walk and just take in this stunning beach. Really disappointed with those scooters. I really thought it would take me around the island, and I think if you're going to do that, you actually need to bring your car or a scooter you bring along with you that can do 80k. Tell you what, the people that are driving four-wheel drives and, you know, those big rigs, slow down if you see someone like on one of those little scooters and who probably don't even realise they're doing the wrong thing. But anyway, it's such a shame I couldn't take you to the others, but we'll be back. We'll be back, I promise you. Okay, it's time to take the scooter back, I think. It's been good. Good old Crewy. But slow at the same time. He almost killed me, but he didn't, and I guess that's the main thing. Crewy is now back, and let's go catch our bus. So, to be honest with you, if I was coming to Stradbroke Island next time, I would definitely bring a car. It was a $20 return ferry trip on a passenger ferry. But when you get here, you have to catch a bus all the way to Point Lookout, which is the main area, I suppose, and that is also $20 return. If you bring your car, I believe it's $100 return. Don't quote me on that. So I would definitely consider bringing a car. The bus that I took over here in the morning was so busy. It was shocking. And I'm not here on a weekend either. I'm here during the week. It is a Friday, and I thought today would be a bit quieter. Scaringly, it probably is quite a day. So I have 20 minutes to wait for my bus to turn up, so I'll say goodbye to you guys. I hope you enjoyed Straddy and its beautiful scenery around here, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. Just stay there. Back and forward, back and forward. There's a bee. Ah! Absolute mission.